Okay.
No, we make sweet corn.
That's right, we're gonna make sweet corn. You excited?
Yeah.
Me too.
I don't want it. I sweet corn.
You don't want sweet corn?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, how about we make it? I bet you'll like it.
No popcorns.
No waffle cones. All right.
Boomer ready.
What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name?
Radiant.
What's your name?
Regular.
What's your name?
Regular.
That's right, and you are watching Ryan and Ray Make Ice Cream, and today we are all geared up in our Indiana Pacers gear because we are huge Pacers fan. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we are also big Boomer fans. Boomer is the Pacers mascot, if you haven't seen him in a couple of our videos. So in honor of our favorite team, the Indiana Pacers, and Victor Oladipo, and Miles Turner, and Domas Sabonis, and Bojan Bogdanovic, and Thad Young, we're gonna make a sweet corn ice cream as a shout out to the beautiful state of Indiana, and as a shout out to the Indy cornfields, and Elizabeth. Totally. Shout out to Elizabeth. We are going to have a lot of fun. I've been a diehard Pacers fan my entire life since I was about 7 years old. I've tried to transfer that as much as I can over to Reagan here. And subsequently Reagan... What? So subsequently Reagan's a huge Pacers fan too. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna get started. And anything you want to say to our friends before we get started?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. How about let's go?
Let's go. Bye-bye, corn.
Alright, so first things first, we're actually going to switch things up just a little bit. We are going to start with, do you know what we're going to start with?
Corn.
Corn! That's right!
Corn first, and then that's a lot of corn.
That was a lot of corn. So we're going to start off with about 4 things of corn. They're a little bit smaller, so if you have big ones, you can use 2. We're going to use this much, and we are going to cut off all the kernels. How's that sound?
Good.
Good. So we're going to cut off the kernels. How's that look?
Good.
Good.
Stop.
Stop? Well, we still got a couple more to do.
It's here.
Okay, cool.
It's back over me. On.
All right, there we go. So we've got all of our corn right here. So now what we need to do is we need to put this into a blender. So you want to help me?
I can watch.
Sounds good. So we've got all of our corn in here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add 1.5 cups of whole milk, and we're going to blend it all together. So we'll take our measuring cup. We'll pour in 1.5 cups.
Stop.
All right, so Ray's going to pour in. There we go. Ray, as always, is going to drink it. So if you've ever seen these recipes, you know I typically use, thank you. You know,
Corn.
corn, oh, corn's in there. You see, I typically use a cup of,
Corn might be into milk.
for sure, it definitely is in the milk. So I typically use a cup of milk, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this up. Yes, we're gonna mix this up, and we're gonna strain it out. And when you strain some of the milk out, you would inevitably lose a little bit of the milk.
And I can walk away.
Yeah, sounds good, because it's a little loud. Yeah, sounds good. So I'm gonna mix this up real quick. I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. We have all of our corn and milk all blended up in here. So now...
And I walked away, make sure not to rip.
For sure, it got a little loud. So now we can use this. We are going to use our strainer.
Good.
I know, we've never done this before. We're going to take this, pour it in just like that. That way we can strain out any of the corn that we don't want. You sure? Okay.
Corn. Please dip it in.
Well, we don't want to dump it in because we use a strainer for a reason. That way we can strain out some of the corn. Alright, so we're almost there. See how slow it's coming out. Typically you should probably do it maybe a little bit slower than I did. But that's okay. Live and learn.
Oh look, I forgot.
Okay. Pretty thick, so you got all the leftover corn. That way the whole milk and the corn, like the flavor of the corn, sticks with it, so it stays really nice and smooth. That's why you want to use 1.5 cups, because inevitably you're going to lose some.
Corn.
Yeah, you see corn, it's right in there. So now we're going to throw this out. And now what we're left with is our whole milk with the corn flavor. What do we need next?
Sugar.
Sugar! We'll use about a half a cup of white sugar because we're also going to use your favorite kind of sugar next.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brown sugar. You want to pour that in? Nice. All right, so now we're going to use a quarter cup of brown sugar too. We're going to throw that in. There we go. Perfect. I'll take that.
We have a room of ingredient. We need
What do we need next?
cream.
Cream, yeah. And how many cups of cream do we need?
Big.
Big? Big, aka 2. We'll do
2 cups.
1 cup. I'll pour that in. Let's do 1 more. 2 cups. Help me pour it in. Let's get it all in there. And now, as always, you can drink the rest. So, we got all that in. I like a good sweet corn. In order to get sweet corn, you need a little bit of vanilla extract to just sweeten it up a little bit. We are going to put in about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That should be good. And because Ray likes cinnamon, we'll throw in a little bit of cinnamon too. You want to pour some in? That should be good. Those cinnamon challenges over here. And now, we are done with our base. So, should we take it over to the ice cream station?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go over there and we'll do the next part. That sound good? Okay, cool. Alright. Okay. So, got our mix right over here. Now we need to put it into our KitchenAid. Ray's going to turn that on. We'll get it mixing for a couple minutes, and you know what time it is. That's right. So now we'll turn it off, and we'll have Ray take the first bite. What do you think? More? All right, we'll keep it mixing. Let's go get the cold bowl. Okay, sounds good. So we got the cold bowl. Ray's gonna put that on. Whoa, or break it. Don't lick it. So let's turn this off. And now, let's take our mixture, pour it into the base. Hold on. Alright. Sounds good. Let's put that on first. Put this on next. And turn it on. Good. We're gonna go for about 25 minutes. And Ray and I are gonna finish this off and watch the Pacers game. So thankfully, as we wait for our ice cream to be made, the Pacers are actually playing right now. They're playing the Bucks. Starting off a little rough, but that's okay. Say that's okay.
That's okay.
That's okay. It happens. So we are gonna have so much fun watching this while we wait for the ice cream to be ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Cool. Go Pacers!
Go Pacers! Pacers.
You wanna take a picture of the Pacers? That's a good photo.
Look, a Pacers. We're going to go to Pacers.
You trying to take a picture of the Pacers game?
They're working.
Oh, sorry. So, ice cream's looking pretty good. Still got about 5 minutes left. Also making a grilled cheese because it's dinner time and ice cream can't be the only thing that we eat tonight. So, we'll be back in just a couple minutes and get it rocking. The ice cream's ready to go. I think we should get a spoon. Oh, Ray's already gonna turn it off. Ray, you wanna give it a shot?
Done.
It's good? Alright, Reagan approved. So now, oh, thank you. Like my slippers, by the way. Alright, cool, so now we'll take this back over the table and get it into our bowl.
I think this one.
Oh, thanks. Who's that?
Yeah.
What's Miles Turner?
It was Thad Young.
Where's Thad Young? Thad Young, he's out there too. Ooh, nice block, Miles Turner.
Let's walk that Turner.
So we're back. We have our sweet corn ice cream right here. Shout out to the Indiana Pacers, huh? Yeah, we're actually watching them right now, so we're really gonna finish this up quick so we can go watch the rest of the game and eat dinner. Should probably be a good dad. We're going to put this into our container, but Ray, how excited are you? Me too. We'll do is we'll take sweet corn ice cream.
Right here. I got to take it and put it right here.
Okay, sounds good. I'll put it into our container. And there. And there you have it. We have our sweet corn ice cream. It's really good. We love it so much. Reminds me of the one time that you've been to Indiana. I've been there twice, but we love the Pacers so much. So we're going to put this into our freezer. We're going to let it freeze up, turn it into hard ice cream, and it's going to be super good. Are you excited about it? We just want to say shout out to the Indiana Pacers. We love you guys so much. Shout out to Victor Oladipo. Shout out to Miles Turner, Domas Sabonis, Nate McMillan, all of you guys. We can't wait to get back out there to check out another game. So I think for now, we're all done. Ray, you want to say thank you to the Pacers? Cool. Anyway, I want to say thank you, Pacers. Anyway, feel free to subscribe on YouTube, check it out, and we hope you guys have a good night. Anything you want to say to our friends?
No, I'm busy.
All right. Well, I will say bye-bye. Have a good night, guys.
I'm gonna make sure there's the books in it.
Yeah, see.
You were there.
Yeah.
But you're off.
Oh, good idea.
I found a Nana.
Oh, good.
She's racing with me.
Sounds good. You gonna race them like the Pacers?
This one or this one?
I'll take that one.
What you get?
How about that one?
Yeah.